4 ground, Debonair 5451 uniforms at Sky Haven with information Foxtrot. We'd like a VFR departure to the north.
Debonair 5451 uniform or ground, runway 27, thanks for Alpha.
27 via Alpha, 5451 uniform. Aurora Tower, Debonair 5451 uniform is holding short runway 27, ready for takeoff.
Debonair 5451 uniform, Aurora Tower, right turn out to the north is approved, runway 27 clear for takeoff, the wind's 3205.
Runway 27 clear for takeoff, right turn, 5451 uniform, thanks. There's 80. Rotate. No more runway remaining. Gears coming up.
Skyhawk 5 Juliet Alpha, traffic 2 o'clock, 5 miles, correction 4 miles westbound, type unknown, altitude indicates 3,100.
Gears up.
Keep an eye on traffic, 5 Juliet Alpha.
Debonair 51 uniform, frequency change approved, have a good day.
Have a good day, 51 uniform, thanks. And good morning. It's not even 9 o'clock yet in the morning, and we are off out of Aurora, heading north to Lake in the Hills Airport. It's a pretty short flight. We're about 20 miles out already. So I'll be making my call here in a bit. We're gonna go make a stop at Finefield Aviation, which is the shop that maintains 54 uniform, and have them get the part number for the turn coordinator, which has started making weird noises, as well as the part number for the attitude indicator, so that because that probably needs to be overhauled soon. There's a little bit of like light oil or something on the back of the glass. It doesn't really interfere with the attitude indicator right now, but I want the part numbers so that I can find a place to get the replacement parts and do a cross ship and then have them swap it out when the time comes. Plus, log a couple minutes in the air here, and another day to go flying. Why not, right? So this weekend, right now, this is Labor Day weekend. It's a 3-day weekend, and later today we're planning a trip to go to Louisville, Kentucky, and then we might end up bypassing Chicago on the way back. I don't know yet. We'll see. We got another trip planned, so we'll see how everything goes. Anyway, we are going to start the arrival to Lake in the Hills now. There we go.
Lake and Hills traffic, Skyhawk 432 Echo Romeo, turning crosswind for runway 26, Lake and Hills.
Burlington traffic, Sport Cruiser 60 Charlie is 5 to the south, inbound for runway 29, gonna overfly the field at Burlington.
Runway 26, load approach.
Burlington traffic, Skyline 980 Echo, 5 miles to the south. We'll be following that traffic flying above the field for runway 29. Burlington traffic.
Burlington traffic, 7472 on Bravo, turning base for runway 29, Burlington.
Bravo Dallas traffic, Cirrus 917 Romeo Tango. We're left downwind for runway 1.
Alright, we're all lit up.
Lake and Hills traffic, Skyhawk 432 Echo Romeo downwind for runway 26, Lake and Hills.
Burlington traffic, sets to 4721 Bravo, turning final for runway 29, Burlington.
Lake Hills traffic, Debonair turning final, runway 26, full stop, Lake Hills.
Getting slow.
Oh,
Too
that
slow.
was abrupt.